So by special request and popular demand, we spoke about the top Jamaican moment in men's sport in 2023. Well, my favorite sporting moment in 2023 for the women was that crucial moment in that do-or-die game at the FIFA Women's World Cup when standing skipper Alison Swaby out-jumped the Panamanian defense to plant her glancing header into the back of the Panama net for the Reggae girls' only goal and only win of the tournament. That goal and the subsequent win proved vital in the girls creating history by advancing to the last 16 of the World Cup. It was indeed a sweet and historic moment in Jamaican sports. Of course, things kind of went south after that, with the girls and their relationship with the JFF overshadowing the on-field achievement. However, that does not take away anything from that impactful moment of brilliance that propelled the Reggae girls into history. So there you have it, the biggest sporting moments for Jamaican men and women in 2023. What do you say? We need an international moment now. Stay tuned, stay tuned.